Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so the PC can talk to the phone. Install ADB on your computer and connect the phone. Run a DB devices to confirm a connection. Once done, make a full backup and take note of any apps you want removed. You'll then run a DB shell and use PM list packages to identify package names. This gives you exact targets, so you don't remove critical system components by mistake. Now you identify the exact package name using PM list packages, because human-readable names differ from package ID. Then you run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 followed by the package name. This removes the app for the current user without modifying system ROM. Make sure to check results with PM list packages user 0 to confirm removal. If the package is an update, uninstalling the update first or disabling may be required. Be methodical and remove one package at a time to avoid instability. Finally, reboot the phone to let system services refresh, a DB reboot. After reboot, verify the app is gone and that critical services still run. If you need the app back, restore with a DB shell CMD package, install existing using the original package name, or restore your backup. If you hit permission denied or the app reappears after an update, try a DB shell PM disable user 0 instead, or remove carrier/firmware bloat via a custom ROM only if you understand the risks. Keep back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.